Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and app readiness. Turn on the LED controller and attach the strip to 512V as specified. You want a stable voltage. Open the manufacturer app and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so discovery works. Once the strip shows a startup color or a blink, it's usually in pairing mode. That visual cue tells you to proceed. If there's a pairing button, press it now. Otherwise, continue to the phone to search for the device. You now pair and set basic preferences. In the app, tap Scan and pick the controller labeled like the sticker or MAC address. Make sure signal strength looks reasonable. Once paired, name the strip and assign it to a room so automations find it. Then calibrate color temperature and set max brightness. This prevents oversaturation and protects the LEDs. Finally, create a default scene and a simple schedule. Saving a profile makes recovering settings faster after power loss or firmware updates. You finish by testing and troubleshooting. Cycle through full color range, animations, and dimming to verify smooth transitions and acceptable latency. If remote or cloud control is required, make sure any Wi-Fi bridge or hub is on the same network and update firmware via the app. If the strip is unresponsive, power cycle the controller first, then repair. If problems persist, inspect power connections and solder joints for loose wires. One key tip: a quick power cycle often clears transient Bluetooth glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.